Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to register and why it's important to register your Ridgid tools from Home Depot. And the main reason is you'll get a lifetime warranty instead of the standard like 3-year warranty. And basically what the difference is if you buy the tool, you use it, you don't register it, you get the 3-year warranty. But what a lot of people don't know is if you go on the site, you have a Home Depot receipt or a receipt from, an authorized dealer, you can register it for a lifetime warranty, which is one of the reasons why I love the Ridgid tools. So I had just purchased this drywall cutout tool, and I'm going to show you how to register the tool. Now, a lot of people go to Ridgid site, actually this one here, Ridgid.com, and this just shows you all the different tools and stuff. You can buy them online, and sometimes if you had created an account on the register site, you can sign in here. It's 2 separate sign-ups. So here is the register site. If you look up here on the website URL, it'll say register.ridgidpower.com, and I already have an account here. I've registered different tools in the past, as you see here, for the lifetime warranty. So basically, if you haven't started an account, start one up, but I'm going to add one in this video. So what I'm going to do is click on register a tool, new purchase, and you're going to need the receipt, which I have here, and the serial number, which is right here. I took a picture of it because it's in my car. So we'll start with the also the model number. So what I can do is go to this, and that's what I have, and put that in here. And now the serial number, and I'll type that in because you can't copy and paste from a photo. So CS 20355 MC 0377. If that's wrong, it'll let you know right away usually. Okay, and the date, let's see, 13. And I got it from Home Depot in the United States, and then the receipt code. This is what tricks a lot of people up, and it's usually right under the barcode. Sometimes it's on top here too. You'll see it right here. But you go right to the barcode, and basically it has was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 digit number, then the date of the purchase, and then another 4 numbers. So that's right here, and that's what you have to. That's the receipt code. So let's type that in and see if it works. So 25 53 973 28, and then it starts with the date 10 13 2022, and then that 4 digit 1463, and then next. And okay, so it looks like we're rocking and rolling here, and then we're going to submit it. Alright, and basically they have a review team that's going to review this, make sure it's legitimate, you got it from a legitimate retailer, and then it will show, let's see, info setting dashboard, it'll show in this list. See, I have pending. I just registered the hand vacuum about an hour ago. We just added this, and then it will be added to all your tools. So if you have a problem, lifetime warranty, and they'll honor it and either repair it or give you a new tool. I haven't done a warranty claim, so I'm not too sure how responsive they are, but nevertheless, is probably a good reason that they make them pretty well. It's a lifetime warranty then. So there you go. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to put them in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it if you give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching LJ's How To.